Alphabet is making a massive move in artificial intelligence, announcing a staggering $75 billion investment in AI infrastructure this year. This is a 29% increase over previous expectations, showing just how serious Google's parent company is about dominating the AI space. The investment will focus on expanding Google Cloud's AI capabilities, developing more powerful AI models, and increasing the efficiency of its data centers. This comes despite slower-than-expected cloud revenue growth, raising questions about how Alphabet plans to turn this massive spending into profit. One major area of focus is Google DeepMind, the company's advanced AI research division. DeepMind has already made significant strides with models like Gemini, but with OpenAI and Microsoft rapidly advancing, Alphabet is under pressure to accelerate development. In addition to internal AI projects, Alphabet is expected to expand its AI partnerships, potentially integrating more AI-driven services into Android, Google Search, and its suite of enterprise tools. With this bold move, Alphabet is positioning itself as a leader in the AI race. But will this massive investment pay off, or is Google betting too much on AI dominance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more breaking tech news.